How to extrapolate a graph in your MS Excel. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can extrapolate a particular graph to predict future predictions for any particular data in MS Excel. So as here you can see, we have this data right here which represents the month and the monthly profits in this particular table, whereas this particular cell represents the total profit which is done in these months. So we can ignore this one. So the first thing that we will be going to do is simply plot a graph for this particular data. So let's select the data and then we will click onto this insert tab right here. Then under the insert tab, let's click onto this recommended charts and add a line chart. Once you are done selecting a line chart, click onto this OK button, and here you can see that a chart has been successfully added. Now from here, you will need to click onto this chart design, and under chart design you can see the chart layouts. Under the chart layouts you need to click onto this add chart element, and once you will click here you can see a number of options. Now one such option is trend line. So simply move your cursor towards the trend line option and it will open a number of other types of trend lines. Now from here simply choose more trend line options. Once you will do this, you can see that from here on the right hand side a separate window has opened from where we can add a trend line. Now from here you need to select the logarithmic trend line. So once you have selected the logarithmic trend line, from here you can choose the forecast period. So in case of a forward forecast period, you can simply type in the value, like for example let's say 1, and then you can also choose to increase this if you want. So you can add it for 2 or let's say 3 as well. Right now let's keep it as 1, and then once you are done with this you can see that this is the logarithmic chart line or the trend line, as you can see here. So you can simply close this and the trend line will be successfully added. You can also choose to add a legend so that the viewer or the audience can know which one is which. So you can click onto this plus icon, and from here you can use this option that says legend. So simply click onto this legend option, and now you can easily determine that the blue line is the profit, whereas the dotted line is the logarithmic profit. So that's how easily you can create a trend line. So that's how easily you can extrapolate the chart or graph in MS Excel. So that was all for this tutorial. If this tutorial was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.